Electrical conduit is a vital component in electrical systems. So what exactly is it? Electrical conduit is a protective tube or channel that encloses electrical wires and cables. It shields them from physical damage, moisture, dust, and other environmental factors. The primary purpose of electrical conduits is to ensure the safe and reliable transmission of electricity while minimizing the risk of accidents, electrical shorts, and equipment damage. With various types available such as rigid metal, PVC, and flexible conduits, it offers versatility for different applications. Electrical conduit plays a crucial role in organizing and managing cables, ensuring a neat and efficient electrical system. Its importance lies in providing safety compliance with electrical codes and facilitating future expansions and modifications. From residential to commercial and industrial settings, electrical conduit is an essential component for secure and reliable electrical installations. Follow us to know more about electrical conduit information.